Hey, it's Sam back here and welcome to VideoStorePro. VideoStorePro is a new selling system that's going to take your videos and allow you to sell them like never before. Within a few clicks, you can completely rebrand this website theme and have it set up and selling your videos with your own brand. You've got to check this out. So join me on my computer right now as I show you what VideoStorePro is all about and how it's going to help you make more money. As you already know, businesses all around use video to sell their products and services. Anything from software companies, affiliate marketers, and almost every local business that has a website. Local law practices, online marketing sales sites, social media consultants, and even startups advertising the new revolution in drone technology. Video is everywhere, and businesses that don't use video are being left behind. Well, behind closed doors, the VideoStorePro team and I have been working on a way to offer something new. We call it VideoStorePro. It's allowing marketers like you and I to make money riding the video trend, selling videos to offline businesses, startups, and online companies. Here's how. Right now, there are literally thousands of businesses that want to get onto the video trend, but they don't know how. They don't know how to create professional videos advertising their startup, their service, or their product. So wouldn't it make sense to start selling pre-created niche videos that take just minutes to edit to help businesses while you get paid? Providing a way for businesses, marketers, and startups to have professional videos made for them to advertise their products and services while cashing in. Enter VideoStorePro. This unique technology allows you to sell videos to your audience in an easily rebrandable store. In fact, this store is so easy to set up that you can start making money with 3 simple steps. Step number 1, add your logo and customize your store. It really is very easy. Within just a few clicks, I've been able to upload and add my logo to the site. There's already 30 professional videos preloaded into the website that I can use and sell. If I wanted to, I could replace these videos with my own videos and simply upload a video like this right here that I've created myself to sell. Now that I've customized my website, all I need to do is generate traffic to my website. That can be done very easily. It's literally just a matter of creating your store, uploading your videos, and sending traffic to your store to convert your visitors into sales. Now I know what you're thinking. How can I go out starting today and immediately start putting this system to work making money? Well, if it's not obvious yet, let me show you start to finish exactly how you can use VideoStorePro to make more money in your business. First, simply log into your VideoStorePro account. This is where you can control how the site looks, feels, and runs. I'm first of all going to connect up my domain with my VideoStorePro account. It's very easy and it takes just 2 minutes to do. Now that it's done, it's time to customize my website. Now, it's not necessary to get your own logo created. You can rebrand or rewrite the text. The site on its own, as it is, will make sales for you. However, if you do want to build your own brand or your name, then it's recommended you edit your store to suit your needs. It's really easy to edit your store. Simply go to your dashboard like this and click on Store. Once you've selected Store, it'll come up with a number of options. Go to the Settings tab. Then you'll see here I can add my logo or additional text. The Settings section controls the look and the feel of the entire website. You can integrate your payment settings to ensure you make money when someone buys through here, or integrate your autoresponder to ensure that you're catching leads and making the most money you possibly can from your site, like this right here. There's so much you can do with this system. As you can see, it's going to give you the ability to fully customize your website as you want it. Now that we've customized our settings, it's now time to customize our products. In this case, because this is a video store, we're going to customize what videos we present to our visitors that they can buy. When you get access to VideoStorePro, you immediately get 30 white labeled videos that have been preloaded into the system. Now, you can sell all of these videos right here from your website, or if you wanted to, you can actually create videos for visitors based on the templates, charging as much as $1,500, actually customizing and creating the videos yourself. We've even got training showing you how to create videos through PowerPoint that you can include with the videos that you sell. So when businesses buy them, they're also able to go through the training and start implementing it to create good-looking videos themselves. The video templates have been specifically created to make it dead simple for anyone to create professional videos that look great in minutes. It's really easy to add videos and remove videos, and you can use our videos, or if you want to, you can use your own. All you need to do is click Store, then go into All Products in here. You'll see a list of the different videos that are currently listed on the website. You can change anything on the product pages, edit the video, the text, the title, and even the price you're charging. Everything can be really easily edited like I'm doing it right now. Work through and add your videos, or if you're satisfied with the videos we've already preloaded to your site, save, then view your site. It should look something like this now. If you or a visitor now clicks on the listing, all they need to do is click Buy, and they've purchased a video from you. You can either send them the video to edit themselves or charge a higher price and create the video for them. It's up to you. Our store is very flexible. What's more, we've created the store to rank highly and effectively in Google. As soon as you get the store up and running, you'll be able to start generating traffic all from Google, or you can start actively promoting or retargeting your website through Facebook, generating visitors back to your website. The more visitors you can generate back to your site, the more money you're going to make. Easy. This really is taking video to the next level, and finally, you can take all of the knowledge and video templates you may already have on your own and start making money with them. Already, many of our beta testers have used VideoStorePro to generate more leads and more sales for their businesses. Look below for a full walkthrough and a features list. I look forward to helping you make more money in your business, and even if you're starting out, arm you with a tool for making even more money in your business. I'll see you on the inside. Hey, it's Sam back here, and I just want to show you how to quickly edit these templates. Now, it's really easy to create videos from these templates. You can either create silent videos, or with PowerPoint, you can now even dub over, audio over top of your video. So this is a template that you get access to for fitness. There are 35 of these inside of the package, and all have different information that you can use as a template to add to, customize, and make your own. Now, when you want to record your slides, when you've changed anything about this, it's really easy. You just edit it in the text editor. You click on Record Slideshow. So here's how easy it is to record your presentations. Now, right now on my screen, I've actually loaded up the recording module inside of PowerPoint. This is where it'll show all the different animations, and you can actually use this dashboard to do a recording of your movie presentation. Now, there's two main ways you can sell this. You can either sell this presentation directly to a customer that buys through your website like this, so they can record it themselves, or if you wanted to, which may even be a bigger opportunity, you could actually do this as a service to businesses, charging over $1,000 or a few $1,000s to create a video for them. Now, they won't know that it's this easy to do. They'll probably think it's really advanced what you've done. We've already pre-built everything in to make it really easy for you to edit and go ahead and do this yourself. So this is how you edit it, then how you record it. It's really simple. We have training inside of the system on exactly how to do this. So when you get in there, you'll know exactly how to customize this, how to record it, and if you have a software like Camtasia, VideoMotion Pro, you can also use those as well. Alright, I hope this has been useful. I look forward to hearing of your success implementing these templates, creating videos, and working with VideoStorePro.